Well, like I said, it's a city replete with religious fervor, but if you are in Varanasi, you will always see the underlying spirituality. There's a fine line between the religion of the city and the spirituality of the city. Many would suggest it is a deeply, deeply spiritual city. And you can actually feel it, if you are a spiritual person or you're inclined that way. I want to cut across right now to my colleague Samarth, who's joining me with the latest. Samarth, at the Kal Bhairav temple, the Prime Minister, local folklore suggests he goes to the Kal Bhairav temple, the fiercest form of Lord Shiva. What from here on? Where does the Prime Minister move from the Kal Bhairav temple?
See, Kal Bhairav is called the Kotwal of Varanasi, and everyone who comes to visit, take blessings at Kashi Vishwanath must visit Kal Bhairav. We are seeing the Damru Dal. I'm showing you the live visuals, how this Damru Dal is entering inside the Kashi Vishwanath temple. क्या excitement है आप लोगों में? क्या करने वाले हो अंदर?
डमरू दल का प्रोग्राम
बताइए क्या करना है अंदर?
डमरू वादन का नाम हर हर महादेव महादेव.
So you can see how they are coming in large numbers with Damru in their hands. So it's a basic thing as they are going to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Right behind me, they will start the celebrations inside the Kashi Vishwanath Dham when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive. And I am reporting from the Kashi Vishwanath Dham. It's the entrance gate, what I can show you, and these are the visuals which I can show you live on India Today TV, how the Damru Dal is entering inside the premises of Kashi Vishwanath Dham, and it's a big thing for Varanasi and for entire Uttar Pradesh. So the security thing is also happening here with the Damru Dal also. As Prime Minister is arriving, CM Yogi Adityanath is arriving, the security protocols have also been enhanced, and that is the reason why VIP movement has been taken into place and vehicles are being stopped on every lanes of Varanasi. It's a big day for Kashi as it was the much awaited project, though opposition is taking on the BJP government, but Yogi government and Modi government are patting their shoulders for this particular Kashi corridor. And these scenes, just want to revisit to this particular scenes, how this large number of students are coming with Damru Dal. I want to talk to them. क्या करने वाले हो अंदर आप? क्या करने वाले हो?
डमरू बजेगा अभी.
Excitement है?
एकदम की
बहुत मस्त.
महादेव भैया
काशी को तोहफा मिला है.
जी. हर हर महादेव.
You can see how the entire thing is happening out here. The Damru Dal. It is the first thing to happen when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive, and they were preparing hard since last 3 days. They also spoke to India Today before and told about the preparations, how they undertook the preparations. So security checkup is also on, and this is the level of excitement in Kashi. And where I'm reporting from Kashi corridor, the entire lane has been submerged with lot of crowd, with lot of Kashi people around just to witness one scene of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Samarth, we are going to continue to come to you. So I'm going to give our viewers a larger understanding of what we are witnessing right now. The Prime Minister landed in Varanasi, that's his constituency, just about a while ago. From there, the first pit stop. And, we're going to constantly give you the spiritual, religious context to it as well. The first pit stop. Can you hear the announcement here? The SPG, the security has kicked in. I'm at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. Right behind me, the next ghat is Lalita Ghat. That is where the Prime Minister, through the waterway, will come and make his way to the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. But right now, viewers, he is at the Kal Bhairav temple, and I'm going to come right back and talk to you about the Kal Bhairav temple. He made a visit to this temple. It is, it's an ancient city, Varanasi. But in ancient, there are some temples which are more ancient than the others. And the Kal Bhairav temple is one of the oldest temple in this eternal city of Varanasi. And, anyone who comes to Varanasi, the first pit stop is said to be the Kal Bhairav temple. The reason being, he is the fiercest form of Lord Shiva. You don't want him to be on your bad side. That's what colloquially people say. So whether, you fear that form of Lord Shiva. So whether you're coming into Varanasi, whether you're leaving Varanasi, even if you're a local or you are a believer in Har Har Mahadev, in Lord Shiva, the first stop will be Kal Bhairav. The local folklore is even death is scared of Kal Bhairav. If you are acutely ill, people go there, to pay obeisance to Lord Shiva in the form of Kal Bhairav. That is what the Prime Minister did. There's also religious protocol, if I can say, that's what the priests tell us here, that your first pit stop will always be the Kal Bhairav temple, and from there on you will make your way to the Kashi Vishwanath corridor or the Kashi Vishwanath temple. So you go to Kal Bhairav first, and only then can you, or should you rather, visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Once again, I want to go to Samarth, and I want to only get Samarth. From Kal Bhairav temple, where does the Prime Minister go? I'm at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. I know he's coming to the Lalita Ghat. Can you tell our viewers what's the protocol of the Prime Minister?
Has arrived the Kashi Vishwanath Dham, and we are showing you the visuals how he is currently addressing the media.
भैया सेल्फी यहाँ और जिस तरीके से नवीनीकरण हुआ है और लोगों में उल्लास है
सर, विकास और सांस्कृतिक
जी विकास भी है और संस्कृति का उत्थान का ये एक बहुत बड़ा पड़ाव है जिसको आज हम सब पूरा कर रहे हैं।
बहुत शुक्रिया नड्डा जी।
ठीक है सर, प्लीज मैम थोड़ा सा।
नड्डा जी, प्रधानमंत्री आज अपने शेड्यूल कार्यक्रम से भी पहले पहुंच गए, तो वो जो उत्साह उनके मन में है वो भी क्या सामने दिखा?
बिल्कुल, प्रधानमंत्री जी ने इस कार्यक्रम को
Okay. We are going to All right, we are going to continue to go across to our band of reporters, getting our viewers the very latest. What's really sweet is, I've just gotten a cup of tea which has been offered to me. That's what you get. This is, we are in Varanasi. This is how you do it. These small little coolers with 5 sips of tea, but like fabulous tea, I must say.